shit, man. No. So what the hell happened here, Dan? Explain. Give us a rundown, because I was not here.
You weren't.
I was not.
I invited Calvin to go to this.
That would have been
to ride along, you know. We were gonna go cruising. I was going to town just to cruise the Z, and you know, I stopped, and when I stopped that first stoplight, a little bit of smoke rolled out, and I was like, that ain't good. I pulled over. By the time I got pulled over, I could see flames coming out. I was like, not good. And then my phone died as I got out of the car to call the fire department. But luckily, well, you'll get to see the video. We're gonna post a little.
Yeah, we'll play that right now.
I was driving the Z and she started to smoke, so I pulled over and she's on fire. Phone was dead, so this guy pulled over and called the fire department. Hopefully it doesn't burn too bad. Hopefully they get here soon enough, but it looks like she's gonna burn down. Not much I can do here. I'm on the side of the road. But hopefully we can get it stopped before it does too much damage. So, yeah, well, we'll see. Yeah, please help! This guy's got a fire extinguisher, so hopefully he can save my car.
Right here. Here, get that. Here's water.
Yeah, just dump it up on the windshield, please. Yeah, I'm afraid to open the hood because it'll flame.
Pop the hood for me. Well, pop the hood for me.
Get this. Yes. All right. Ah, it's hot as fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Well, maybe we saved it.
Yeah.
I was actually going to swap the motor out next week anyway.
Well, now you got to change the wiring harness.
That's fine. I was going to replace it.
Better than y'all.
Better than me.
Yeah, I'm glad I had that with me.
Man, I just got this car and was driving it and driving down to AutoZone.
How are you, man? You know, gang, Hunter? Where are you coming from?
Yeah, we'll play that little video.
But yeah,
We saved her.
dude. Yeah, it could have been way. It could have been way
We
worse.
saved her from a complete
It could have been so much worse, man. Like, in all honesty, you know, yeah, that sucks, but dude, you got lucky because this was okay. So rundown, this was an electrical fire, right? The battery is what caught on fire. Sorry about the wind, by the way. Yeah, so I guess if it was a fuel or oil fire, probably wouldn't have gone down this, because I mean, you were sitting here from the side of the road for like 5-10 minutes waiting for people to come. So this was just on fire for like, you know, 5-10 minutes or whatever. So that's, you know, it could have been a whole lot worse, man. And luckily Austin, you know, didn't open the hood, so he didn't let it flame up. But I think now we've all learned a lesson now. Fire extinguishers, man. Doesn't matter, like, if your car has even a stereo system installed, man, if it's been touched from the factory, please buy a fire extinguisher. It's like $40, man, and mount it in like a secure spot that's easy to get to. That way you can just grab it and go. But yeah, we're just gonna load it up, get it back, and I guess start like, I don't know. I mean, the next step for this is,
Engine bay!
yeah, prep it for the engine bay or prep it for the RB. So,
Prep it.
damn, man.
I wanted to enjoy it before we really got going.
Wow. That's crazy, man. You guys gotta check this battery out. Holy shit. What? Man. That is toast, bro. Wow. I had a feeling this was gonna happen. That winch was working real hard, and now, okay, now try it. Hang on. Yeah, keep her coming. Keep working her. Huh? Now she's good. Keep going.
Push it. Push the whole car.
Let's do it. Well, this is not a video we really wanted to make at all, really. But you know, we're taking you guys along the journey. You know, sometimes things happen, man. Shit happens, bro.
Shit happens.
I mean, again, like I said, man, yeah, it really could have been so much worse. So you gotta look at things on the bright side. This does suck, and you know, in life, man, you're gonna have obstacles, bro. You know, the key is, though, not to panic, man. Not to panic, because there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and you know, we'll be all right. That's what my homie DJ Khaled always said. In life, you're gonna have obstacles, bro. The key is, don't panic. What are we? I know you don't want to talk about it, or I know you're bummed out. I know you are, but like,
just because I wanted to drive it and get it all the bumpers and all that and drive it before we had to swap it, but now at
least now we'll just work on getting it.
Now we're just gonna make it just wham bam thank you ma'am and
Everything.
get it swapped all once.
All in one. Exactly.
All in one, and it'll be better than ever. The Blue Z will come back better than ever, cleaner than ever. Gonna get a new hood now. Gotta get a new hood. Gotta go with that Twin Z. Gotta go with that Twin Z hood.
Might have to get a couple of them.
Couple Twin Z hoods.
Twin Z's. Yeah, I need me one.
She's all messed up.
I mean, that should clean up, hopefully. That's just, what is that, fire extinguisher?
Fire bullshit. There's fire stuff all over it. She's not even the same car she was like a day ago when I got done cleaning her, and it's just frustrating to just want to just cruise her around and enjoy a little bit.
Dude, I've been there. Except, dude, my first car got totaled the first 4 days on the road. So, I cried. When it was at the body shop and they told me that it couldn't be fixed, I cried. I really did, dude. I was a young little old Calv, man. Had his first 240, saved up all his money, totaled it.
We saved
right,
because I was literally gonna watch it burn to the ground and video it, and then
yeah, like you said, we're just gonna watch it burn.
Watch it burn to the ground, and then some guy in a boat just pulled in and saved the day.
Luckily, the fuel lines are on the opposite side. It didn't make it over there.
Good thinking, Nissan.
Hopefully, we hear back from the machine shop tomorrow or early this week.
We should start the engine bay. We got the white.
Pull the VG out.
The gold flake.
Yeah.
Get her pretty. Take the next step quicker than we wanted to. It's good for you guys and wanting content.
I guess it's just quicker, more quicker content.
Here it comes.
The circumstances in which way it's arriving may not be the best, but hey, you know, we're positive and optimistic over here.
Yeah.
You know, it's always, things could always be, we're grateful we have it still, it's here.
It's here.
You know, so.
We didn't spend any money, like they didn't charge me any money to help me.
It was all just like local passerbyers.
And then I was able to pull it up on my own trailer.
Yeah, luckily you had the resources. We got a truck, we got a trailer. It was only like 10 minutes down the road, so all in all, really wasn't awful.
Not awful.
All it needs is a new hood and that RB.
All right, well guys, if you like the content and you like it a whole
Give us a like
lot,
for the fire. I mean,
if you like the
we
fire,
we need to get some likes for this video,
yeah,
man.
get some likes for this
sucks.
video. Okay, so if you like the content and you like the fire,
Well,
and
we don't
you're-
like the fire, but you know,
you like the video of the fire that you
Sure.
see, and then you like the fact that we're gonna try to bring this thing back better than ever. Subscribe, like the video, share it with all of your friends, and until next time, bam.
All right, guys, just really quick, if you made it to the end of this video, you are a true OG and a real supporter, so I appreciate you. But I want to let you guys know that we actually are doing a live stream tonight. Me and Austin, we are revealing the company name. We've come up with one. We think it's pretty cool. But yeah, if you guys want to join us, it'll probably be a little bit after this video is up, maybe a couple hours after, but it'll most likely around 8 or 9 o'clock p.m. Central tonight. Feel free to come hang out. We're going to do some giveaways, chill, and yeah, we're just going to have a good time. Keep that in mind. We'll see you guys tonight. Peace.
Thank you.